Hi, and welcome to a new natural home remedy video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and activate the new video's notifications bell.
10 foods that hydrate your skin. 1. Cucumbers. They are made up of 65% water, only have 17 calories, contain nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and fiber. They are great for digestion. We recommend that you consume them raw in order to take advantage of their benefits. 2. Papaya. Papaya helps digestion, gives more energy to your body to repair your skin, which makes it look brighter. Also, because it contains vitamin A, it takes responsibility of your health and the proper functioning of your organs. 3. Watermelon. Watermelon is rich in vitamin C, which is great for having hydrated skin and good bodily defenses, is made up of 92% water, reduces the risk of cardiac diseases and various kinds of cancer like prostate, ovarian, cervical, oral, pharynx, esophagus, lungs, and pancreas. You can eat it on an empty stomach to increase digestion or eat it alone so that you don't miss out on any of its benefits. 4. Tomatoes. Since tomatoes are composed of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, they are an important skin protector and fight aging and acne. They are made of 94% water and 20 calories. They are a source of potassium, phosphorus, and vitamin A and C. 5. Apples. Apples contain 86% water. Eating an apple a day will give your body the fiber it needs. It is one of the fruits with the greatest antioxidants. This reduces the growth of cancerous cells, the risk of having Alzheimer's, and heart diseases. 6. Leafy greens. Spinach and lettuce have 95% water, are rich in vitamins A and C, which, as we already said, are special in caring for your skin. They have minerals, antioxidants, and nutrients that help detoxification by helping eliminate toxins and impurities from the skin. They prevent cancer, preserve memory, and keep your vision healthy. 7. Kiwi. This fruit has 83% water. Eating a kiwi gives you over double the daily requirement of vitamin C. Because it has fiber, it is great for regulating cholesterol and blood pressure. It reduces the risk of clots and lowers the levels of blood lipids. 8. Grapefruit. Grapefruit has the same qualities as tomatoes because it contains lycopene and high levels of antioxidants, which keep your skin clear and acne-free. 9. Coconut water. This water is the most hydrating kind that coconut has. They say that it fights signs of aging. It is good for digestion and skin because it builds skin membranes, which will leave them smooth and bright. 10. Orange juice. Oranges have 88% water, are rich in potassium, vitamin C, calcium, folic acid, and has the necessary nutrients for skin repair.
Thank you for watching. Take some time to see our other videos. Leave your comments and questions below, and don't forget to share your results. If you haven't subscribed, please do it now. And don't forget to click on the little bell below to receive notifications of new videos.